them all what I came to do.
Kill.
One word that explains the truth.
Will.
Hang out till your brain is loose. All your little fun-filled days are through. Remember that I'm like this thanks to you. First off, I'm a little bit psycho. I know, dumb like a mentally retarded kid. I ain't got no friends, no ends to my stress, so I chill in the dark and shit. With a rifle and bomb, knife in my palm. Think about the motherfucking lives I'ma harm. Swing at me, then I'll slice your arm. Then make you videotape me pipe for your mom.
Ruthless.
Deceitful lies. Listen up, you don't want beef to rise. I really wanna murder. I'm thinking of taking a rap for a pizza slice. Then tie her ass up in the beat of life. Out of goddamn skull till she bleeds and cries. The whole fucking time she was screaming, why? Fuck you, bitch, don't be surprised. Time after time you told me that my album would drop. It was all bullshit. Then the day that it finally did, bitch, how come it flop? It's ruthless, baby, for sure. I'm trying to make me some dough. Get up off your ass to make a motherfucking marketing plan, and then maybe I'll blow.
But no, you wanna be a little bitch about it. Thought that I would never do shit about it. You made a contract with a twist around it, so I can never ever get about it. No outlet, so I'm pissed about it. I'd be really dumb if I just allowed it. Watch your back, you might get surrounded. Bang, 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 you hit the ground and Kill.
Tell them all what I came to do.
Kill.
One word that explains the truth.
Will.
Bang out till your brain is loose. All your little fun-filled days are through. Remember that I'm like this thanks to you.
Yeah, brother, you got the feeling just